This video I am going to demonstrate you a submission that we have developed for ERW challenge on challenge post. Basically what this app does is it provides you the capability to scan the ground for suspected landmines or any such explosive remnants of war. So what this app does, ERW detector does, is it uses the phone magnetometer sensor, which is around here in this Samsung, and it is present in almost all the smartphones that are available in the market these days. So it uses this magnetometer to detect these objects. So for this demonstration purposes, on the first page of the app there is a progress bar which shows the magnetic field strength around the area you waved the phone. So you just have to wave the phone over the suspected region, and it will give you an idea, and it will alert you if it senses something such as a big metal object under the ground or stuff like that. So for example, I have this Caesar line here, so I will just going to swipe it over. See that buzzer sound? It shows you that the object is detected. It even detects it if it's covered with some dirt or something, stuff like that. See, so you just have to swipe it over the region that you want to detect, and whenever it senses it, give you the metal detected error. So what you do is you just click this add button to report this location. So when you does it, it tells you to enter a site name. So I tell the site name is demo ERW1, and enter my name as Nick. Enter my name as Nick, and this is the data of the GPS and date. It is actually just a text, so if you want to load the actual data, you have to click this button first, because sometimes the GPS is turned off, and whenever you click this load GPS, it gets the current date and data. See, the 6th August is today, and the data, and when you click save, it saves this location. So you have saved this location, and you have to, if you want to sync it with the remote site, which list all the different sites reported by different users. So it sends it to a backend server, which in turn shows all the reported sites on a web page, and you can cross check there. If someone already reported this, it will not be synced again. So for this, it's syncing the data with remote MySQL server. So now DB sync is completed. So to see if the data is synced, so we just log into our website here. So now I'm logging into my website. It is the same website that I showed on the. So here it shows all the reported sites by different users. So just now I reported this, and it's some adware that I got into my computer. So it is the latest site that I have got here. It is demo ERW1 submitted by Nick, and this is date and time. So it provides a really nice directory to see all the reported sites. If you are near one, you will get alert on your phone, and also we are using the machine learning capabilities of Android to use this in a more precise and accurate manner to detect more sites. If we continue with this idea, we will surely use it to develop it further in this competition, and we hope you would like it, because it is a simple idea that provides general population and easy way to track these explosive remnants of war. And whenever you are in enter such a region, or you are in a geofence of such a region, this app also alerts you actually you are in such a region, but that we didn't put into the version that we submitted in the challenge. It is ongoing in development, and the next version will have a very nice UI and all those features of machine learning, and really nice sleek presentation stuff. And that's all for this video. Thank you guys. I hope you like this idea as much we love developing it. That's all for my video. Thanks.